I'm Christina Smekens, and thanks for joining me for Episode 2 of the Teach Writing PD mini-series. In Episode 1, I previously laid the groundwork that teaching writing requires us to provide instruction and practice. Here in Episode 2, I want to dive more deeply into the instruction piece, specifically the planning and delivery of whole class mini lessons. We often use the term lesson to represent time spent teaching any concept or topic. Consequently, to distinguish a writing lesson from other learning experiences, it's called a mini lesson. A mini lesson is a type of lesson, although it's shorter, punchier, and emphasizes how to do something in writing. Mini lessons are Tier 1 instruction, as they're delivered to the whole class, ensuring everyone has access to grade-level writing knowledge. Mini lessons are standards-based. They focus on the specific skills outlined within your language arts writing standards. Mini lessons are mini, in that they're 15 minutes or less. They're narrowly focused on a single skill. And mini lessons are strategic. They don't just explain what a skill is, but detail how to do it in writing.